Madam, open your mouth. Here's the airplane. Ready and go. Madam, you feed your husband. Ayaw manitin, ayaw bali-bali, mami. Ang pinaka-favorite is sir ang midnight snack. Bukod. Friends, let's give them a round of applause for the first couple sharing meal. And this time, we'd like to invite our best man, Mr. John Jamer Patalinghog, to give a short message to our couple. And please do the honor to propose for a toast for the couple, please. Ladies and gentlemen, let's give a round of applause to Mr. John Jamer Patalinghog. Go, Sir Jaymar.
Hello everybody. First of all, thank you so much, Day, for coming to Jervis and Claire's wedding. So, I'm the best man of the wedding, and sama ko, kailan ako si Jay. We've been friends with Jervis for like almost 20 years now. You know, we've been through a lot, mga family problems, money problems, pogi problems, girl problems, and you know, all that. So, a lot. Ay, si Cornel, kanina kaya sa mo? So, you know, our bond, actually, tuloy may kabok mo na kasi, apel na siya sa best man, yung unang manang laag, mo na siya, apas na siya. Tawag na ko niya yung mga kumas. So, mga heartthrob ni sa UC sa mga ito may nagay. Kani siya may pinakadagan ng cheeks. Butan namin doon. But anyway, you know, we've been through a lot. You know, 20 years of friendship doesn't happen a lot. And, you know, it's not like we see each other like once a year. You know, we were inseparable. Every year, every birthday, every holidays, nakajin ni Permi, hantod, nag-anak na lang mi, hantod, nag-asawa na mi. You know, we became brothers, all the three of us. And one thing that I can say na si Jervis is, kung pinaka-admire niya, kung pinaka-maingon dyan ko ba, higa ni Tawan niya, is ihag yung perseverance, ihag strength nga, if he wants something, he will stop at